Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install ChatGPT plugins. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, what you need to do here, you just need to go to Explore GPTs, and then here you will see all the plugins that is available here. So let's say it's Video AI. Let's select it, and then as you can see here, you can start the chat and do whatever you like with Video AI. So with this plugin, it will use ChatGPT 4, and with a free plan, I believe it's very limited. So what you need to do here probably is to go to a upgrade plan. As you can see here, free plan has limited access to GPT 4. So what you need to do here is to upgrade it to Plus, and then you will have limited access, right? So yeah, that's basically it. I believe with the free plan, you can do some things, but it will be very limited. So that's how you can do that. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.